one of the most welcoming education places I've ever been. And I've done quite a few other courses everywhere, and this is by far the best one. So I'm Edward Marshall, and I've been studying at Whyy for the past couple of years, doing the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt Practitioner. So I've done other apprenticeships with other people. By far, this apprenticeship is probably one of the best ones I've done. Ever since day one, you walk in, it's extremely welcoming. You meet the entire team, and from day one, whenever you need any help or extra support, it's always been there. Even if it's outside of your normal college working days, you can email. And overall, it's been really an amazing experience. From the first couple of months, it was mainly Ray teaching the class, and then he created a bond between the learning group. And then, even though we're all different businesses, we all learn from each other, and the learning experience was not just one-on-one, it was you and the team of people you're doing the course with, and you all bounce the ideas back off each other, and learning what other businesses do, you actually improve your own skill set. So not just from the education side of what you learn from Whyy, you also get a really helpful knowledge from other businesses and how they potentially have gone around things. So it's been tremendous, really. I work in research and development, so nearly every aspect I've learned so far has been injected into my workflow, and it's made a lot of my projects far easier, and a lot easier as well to explain to managers or anyone in my company what I've done and why we've done it. And a lot of it shows hard evidence through learning stuff like CPKs and other mathematical tools what we learned during this course. So literally every aspect I've learned has been injected into my work. I think one of the biggest things for myself, I'm not really enjoy sitting down in classes, but coming into Whyy, I think within the first couple of months I've said to Rhaegar, and I really enjoy coming here, more that it doesn't feel like a school. One of the most welcoming education places I've ever been, and I've done quite a few other courses everywhere, and this is by far the best one. I've gone off and taught other people with my work team, or with my team, not even in other departments, on how potentially to go around tasks and learn, and we've learned off each other. There's other apprentices who are doing, for instance, university courses, and they're now coming to me from the things I've learned from this course and helping them with their university degrees. So it's been, like I was saying, it's amazing coming here, and I'd highly recommend it to anybody.